In this video, I will be disassembling this 2014 Hyundai Santa Fe Halogen headlight. Here's the part number on the light. The lens is glued to the body. I will be cutting it off with a saw. There are two screws on the rear of the light that need to be removed in order to pull the lens off. There's one right here, the second is here. The lens is now disconnected from the light. There's one wire harness connector for the front LED. The front bezel is connected to the lens with a series of Phillips head screws. The whole bezel must be removed in order to get to the corner LED. I've removed the front bezel from the lens. Now I can remove the black plastic trim. With the trim removed, we now have access to the two screws holding on the LED board. The LED daytime running light is now removed from the light. Next, I'm going to release this outer projector mount. I will do the same for the inner projector mount. Lastly, I will turn this headlight adjuster all the way to the left. The projector and bracket can now be removed from the light. Next, I'll remove the screws holding in the wire harness. I will twist the wire harness connector to the right to unlock it and push it into the light. The headlight is now fully disassembled. There are three Phillips head screws holding on the high beam reflector. There are two Phillips head screws for the lens retainer. There are three Phillips head screws holding the projector bowl to the bracket. The headlight is now fully disassembled. We can see that this projector bowl has heavy flaking from the heat of the halogen bulb. Here's the projector lens. It's not a traditional round shape. The lens measures approximately 3 inches in width, 2.5 inches in height and 1.5 inches in depth. Here's the main projector bracket. You can see that the cutoff shield in center of the projector is built into the bracket. Here's the LED daytime running light. Here's the LED reflector. It simply sits on top of the LED board to send light down the LED light bar. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.